అల్వల్ పల్లవి మోడల్ స్కూల్లో నేషనల్ త్రోబాల్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ కార్యక్రమాలు ముగిశాయి. ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి ముఖ్య అతిథిగా త్రోబాల్ ఫెడరేషన్ చైర్మన్ కమల్ గోస్వామి, ప్రిన్సిపల్ సునీర్ నాగి హాజరయ్యారు.
ఈ సందర్భంగా పాఠశాల ప్రిన్సిపల్ సునీర్ నాగి మాట్లాడుతూ గత 3 రోజుల నుంచి నిర్వహిస్తున్న త్రోబాల్ పోటీలు తెలంగాణలో అమ్మాయిలు రన్నరప్లుగా గెలిచినందుకు అభినందిస్తున్నామని ఆమె తెలిపారు. దీనిలో భాగంగా గెలిచిన అమ్మాయిలకు కూడా గెలిచినందుకు గర్వంగా ఉందని వారు హర్షం వ్యక్తం చేశారు. ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో త్రోబాల్ ఫెడరేషన్ చైర్మన్ కమల్ గోస్వామి, ప్రిన్సిపల్ సునీర్ నాగి, క్రీడాకారులు పలువురు పాల్గొన్నారు.
Thank the Throwball Association of India and Telangana for giving us a chance to host this tournament in our school today. And the charm of the tournament was looking at children enjoying the game despite of excessive heat wave in the state. We couldn't feel any child feeling low or withdrawn despite of the heat. They enjoyed it and played the game enthusiastically. We can actually say that there are too many games in India which needs recognition, and one of them is throwball. I appeal to our government to recognize the game of throwball and encourage our children, sponsor such tournaments in future also, so that we have throwball at an international level and India is recognized as one of the best country giving out talent in throwball. Today's game was a very enthusiastic one. We had the winners in boys from Delhi and the runners up were from the state of Tamil Nadu. In the girls team, the winners were Tamil Nadu and the runners were none other than our own Telangana team. Thank you so much.
In the 24th Sub-Junior National Throwball Championship, it was conducted in our school. Our school has always encouraged sports. It has been conducting throwball competition since long. This is the second nationals which has been conducted in our school. The first one was under 19 championship for SGF. I participated in that as well. And this is the second tournament, which is 24th Sub-Junior National Throwball Championship. And our school encourages sports as well as studies. Sports has always been an important part of our school's curriculum, and thanks to our principal ma'am to have encouraged this program in our school, and thanks for everyone who has supported this thing.
నాకు త్రోబాల్ అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. It's a group event and we can learn in the group so many things. I thank the principal of this Pallavi Model School for giving nice accommodation and supporting us for playing throwball. I thank Telangana